Hi everyone. In this session, I will show you how Ozontal has done integration with the Zoho CRM. So the client's main application, it will remain the Zoho CRM, and inside it, the Ozontal provides its Chrome extension for handling the calls. So over here, the agent, they need to log in via their login credentials. And once they get logged in, they have to mark themselves into the ready state. In order to make an outbound call, the agent, they can directly go to the Zoho CRM, look for the contact to whom they want to make a call, and just click over the customer phone number directly from the Zoho CRM. So once they click over the customer phone number, you will see that call it get routed to the end customer as well as passed over here for the agent to handle the outbound call. So once the call get landed, you can also see in the background the customer information it get displayed as a screen pop-up in the Zoho CRM only. And over this telephony panel, the agent can also have various calling functionalities like they can bring any person or any agent to the conference call, as well as if they want to transfer this call to agent, to group of agents, or might be to a third person, they can also do. If they want to hold this particular customer, there is the hold functionality as well, when they can mute themselves. And once they end up this call, they can also dispose this call over this right hand widget in the Zoho CRM only. And when the call it has been ended and disposed of, the Ozontal passes all the call metadata back to the Zoho CRM. So under the timeline, here, if you go to any timeline history, you will see that the call metadata, it has been passed to the Zoho CRM, which will give you all the information, like when the call it has been done, what's the start time, the duration of the call, even the call recording, it's all available in the Zoho CRM as well. In the similar manner, if in particular customer, they make an inbound call to your agent. So I will show you how the call it's going to be landed over here. Here you will see that the call gets as a agent. I can answer that. Even in the right hand side, you will see this customer information widget, it get popped up. So if I want to go to any customer detail, I will click over the customer name and it will redirect me to this customer page only. And in the similar manner, I just hung up this call and can dispose the call from the Zoho CRM directly. So in this way, you can see that the Ozontal telephony, it get embedded in the Zoho CRM only for handling the calls. Yeah, thank you.